I got
Oh, good, he
vitamins
was
before
killed.
hard mode.
Oh, because the corrupt slime spawns and stuff count as like just normal
Hard
corrupt
mode enemies.
slimes, so they also drop vitamins.
Fuck, okay. I ain't gonna question that then anymore. Given that lore thing though, I've killed like total 5 or 6 bosses in this playthrough. That is crazy. Let me check what
Crazy.
bosses I've done. No.
I was crazy.
No. I've done Trojan Squirrel, Desert Scorch, I have Cthulhu, the massive jump to the Perforators, Skeletron, and then Slime Gods. The last being the Wall of Flesh. What the fuck is wrong with me? Anyways. What type of magic stuff does it have though? Flesh hand. Carnage? Oh fuck, why does it deal 130 damage though? True melee damage it is. Anyways, there's still... Yeah, there's still the laser rifle, which would be okay. I don't know. Would it?
What the fuck? Nah, I
Bro,
gotta
was
be
not happy.
hacking. That was a very happy squeal, because I have no clue how the hell I just did that.
I just realized the fucking Abyssal Totem might actually be like a little overpowered for War Flash because it does explode and it does technically pierce, I think, or something like that. Let's try this out. If that motherfucker fucks away from me. Right now. Try to get close extremely to the
Let's
fucking
go,
War Flash.
no hit King of Slime, I am a winner.
He is a winner, I think.
Alright, time to go kill all the times for my last shift
Ow.
will be a bee. Hooray.
Oh yeah, did I even get Purified Gel?